Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw on a topic on Father's Day. Okay. First, what here we have to do? Just from here, I will draw one circle over here. Okay. Circle, then a shape like this. Okay. Then from here, what you have to do? I will draw the face shape like this. Okay. Two curve. Now from here, curve from here, two line, join it. Okay. Shape. The whole thing will be black. So inside portion, no need to do it fully. If you can do half also, then also it's okay, no problem. Just draw the girl first. See, from here we are going to draw the. You can draw girl or boy, anyone. Okay. Circle from here and from here, na shape like this. I'm just doing the girl. Okay. Point. Means see, suppose just like an L and the circle was there, na? So it will look like face. Okay. Very simple. Now from here the skirt and two leg from here. Okay. One more hand from here, one hand from here, and then just from here we'll draw the line, and from here a tree shape. I will draw over here in this one. And your almost drawing is ready. You can divide two things, a line like this, so that you can do different type of. So I will draw one moon over here. Okay, I'm just doing the moon. Okay, small moon. And now what I will do, just I will start coloring. Okay, now I'm going to start coloring, and the first color will be, I'm going to do the Persian blue color. Okay, Persian blue. I'm going to start doing from Persian blue color from here. Just I'm doing the Persian blue color like this. And try to do it perfectly. Okay, don't leave any white dots. Okay, try to do it perfectly. And after Persian blue, you have to do with brilliant blue color. Okay, after Persian blue, you have to do we have to blend the Persian blue with the brilliant blue color. Okay, it's very simple. And after brilliant blue color, you have to blend with the light blue. Okay, you have to blend the brilliant blue with the light blue color. If it's going inside also, no problem, let it be, because we are going to do the black color after this, na? So it will work very easily. So no need to worry that color is going inside, or you can fill it full also. And we will do over here with the light pressure. Okay, do here with the light pressure, and then what you have to do, just I will take the white color. Okay, and before using white, just check it's clean or not, then try to blend it properly. Fully just blend it. Okay, slowly just blend it over here. And now what you have to do now, see, after this, from here, just take out your primary red. Okay, oh sorry, no, just take out your carmine. Okay, just take out your carmine and do the carmine from here. And after carmine, what you have to do, you have to do the primary red. After carmine, D053 carmine, you have to blend the carmine with the primary red color. Primary red number is D350. D350. Primary red. Okay, and then you have to blend with scarlet. Okay, scarlet. Scarlet, and then you have to blend the same with the vermilion hue. Okay, you have to blend it with the vermilion hue. Vermilion hue D449. Okay, vermilion hue, it's an orange color. Okay, it's an orange color. And now you have to blend it with the deep yellow. Means first blend the vermilion hue, then the outside one. Okay, and then blend the deep yellow with the medium yellow. Okay, and medium yellow, blend the medium yellow with the lemon yellow. Blend the medium yellow with lemon yellow. And now what you have to do, you have to take the black color and fill it. And now from here I'm just going to do the tree. Just fill it. Okay, whenever you have done that, just try to fill it. And after filling this, just from here now, draw some branches. Okay, with light pressure. Do this with the light pressure, then only you will able to do the branches very thin. Okay, Now from here now I will just fill inside black color. Okay, everything just fill it with black color. And now from here that table was there na, that's something like this second board, so we will draw that. And after this what I'm going to do, see, it's very simple, just draw some grasses like this. Okay, strokes. Okay, long grasses like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, just I'm going to do some dots like leaves. That tree have some leaves, for that reason I'm just giving some dots. Okay, it's very simple. And when you are doing the black color, don't leave any dot, means any white portion. Okay, fill it properly. Okay, fill it properly, then only it will look good. So now it's over. Thank you.